Okay, changing SIRA registered cell number ungayiguqula kanjani i-registered number yakho yakwa-SIRA mhlawumbe walahlekelwa i-cellphone nakho kufanele ukulandele. Number one, kufanele singene kwi-address https://digitalservices.sira.co.za/profile. All right. Sangena laphana kwi-address which digitalservices.co.za/claim-profile. So number number 2, then number 2, forgot mobile number. So click la kubhalwe khona ukuthi forgot mobile number. Forgot mobile number. Or fanele ungene la profile with security officer, then security officer ungagcwali, then ubusuya kubani forgot mobile number. So sibheke the next step ukuthi yini oyenzayo. The next steps, ku-profile ubhala u-security officer bese kuthi ngezansi ubhale i-cell number yakhe entsha, your new cell number. Singena la security officer bese ubhala i-cell number yakho engenayo u-0, ungawufaka u-0, 73 477 9062 ebese upressa noma uklikhe usend OTP. Okay, njengalena kuthiwa already isikhona kuphi eSIRA, ngakho ngeke ufake inamba entsha usebenzisa yona. Okay, ake sibone le 62 995 7108. Send. OTP sent successfully. Izobe isiza kwi-SMS. So check i-SMS yakho ebese kulama squares awu-4 usayibhala in uzothola i-OTP inamba eziwu-4 kwi-SMS ubhale kulezi iy'kwele ebese uklikha u-verify. Izobe siba registered inamba yakho.